Click AB plus Waypoint Setup. Enter the value, height, speed, sparing amount. Select Altitude Hold or Terrain Following mode. Zoom out the setting page. Throttle unlock and take off. Fly E1 visually to the first new location, or confirm the target point by camera. Press the transmitter's upper right button. Make A point. Fly to B point. Press the upper right button. If B point is 0, it can be reset. Push the aileron stick to the right. System will activate Waypoint upload command through the stick left and right. Now, the sparing route is planned to fly to the right. Reversely, if pushing the stick to the left, E1 will fly to the left. After upload successfully, switch flight mode to I. Please pay attention on E1 flight during the mission. Apply brake when E1 is approaching to the boundary. E1 will stop and switch to the last line, and continue auto flying and sparing. Attention! Please apply brake based on flying direction. When E1 is flying forward, pull the stick back. Reversely, when E1 is flying backward, push the stick forward. After a complex mission, switch back to manual GPX mode to return home. It's all about AB plus Waypoint setup.